Welcome to Smarter Language, Everywhere, the 2025 Leap. In this episode, we explore the latest breakthroughs in language technology, focusing on new frontiers in multilingual and efficient AI. Drawing insights from 44 research papers published in July 2025, we unpack key themes, examine standout studies, and discuss what lies ahead for language and artificial intelligence. Today's journey highlights why language AI matters now. Computation and language drive the development of AI that truly understands human communication. Innovations in translation, summarization, and reasoning are at the core of digital assistants and social platforms. This episode examines the research shaping these technologies, unpacking social, ethical, and technical advances. The significance of language AI is underscored by its central role in daily digital life and its impact on how we interact with technology across diverse contexts. Computation and language, often abbreviated as cs.CL, serves as a bridge between computer science and linguistics. This field drives advancements in the understanding, generation, and interaction with human language by machines. Its influence extends from chatbots to translation applications, emphasizing both multilingual and culturally aware AI. Computation and language underpins global digital communication and fosters innovation, ensuring that language models can engage effectively across diverse linguistic and cultural landscapes. A key theme emerging from recent research is the pursuit of efficient, on-device language models. There is a growing emphasis on developing smaller and faster models, as highlighted by Boussaha and colleagues. These models enable compositional multitasking, particularly for mobile devices, through techniques like learnable calibration, which merges adapters to support multiple tasks simultaneously. Local AI processing enhances privacy and accessibility, making real-time translation and summarization possible even in offline scenarios. This marks a significant step toward democratizing advanced language technology. Benchmarking and the expansion into multilingual capabilities are central to current advancements. New benchmarks, introduced by researchers such as Ayoobi and Boussaha, enable more realistic evaluation of language models, especially in real-world conditions. There is a distinct focus on underrepresented and low-resource languages, addressing global linguistic diversity. The LionGuard 2 project demonstrates effective moderation in multicultural settings. Notably, research by Lee and colleagues shows that mixing languages within models enhances reasoning abilities. These efforts collectively ensure that models adapt to the diverse linguistic realities encountered worldwide. Recent work has brought renewed attention to reasoning, planning, and ethical considerations in language AI. The rise of multi-step reasoning agents, such as those developed by Han and collaborators, utilizes diffusion-inspired methods to achieve coherent research writing. Prompt engineering, as explored by Lutz and others, has proven instrumental in reshaping model behavior. Ethical questions surrounding fairness, simulation, and bias have been rigorously examined, including by Hagendorff et al. The social impact of these advances is notable. Digital personas generated by AI are becoming fairer and more nuanced, contributing to more equitable technology. Key findings indicate notable shifts in language AI capabilities. Research by Lutz et al. Demonstrates that small models, when guided by intelligently designed prompts, can outperform their larger counterparts. Boussaha and colleagues show that merging adapters facilitates efficient multitasking on resource-constrained devices. Lee et al. Observe that blending multiple languages within models enhances reasoning skills. The LionGuard 2 team has proven that moderation systems, when culturally aware, excel in diverse environments. Furthermore, Han et al. Highlight that iterative, stepwise reasoning narrows the gap between human and AI performance, especially in complex cognitive tasks. To achieve these advancements, researchers employ several sophisticated methodologies. Retrieval augmented generation, or RAG, allows models to fetch relevant external information dynamically. Test time scaling refers to refining model outputs in multiple steps, enhancing answer quality. Prompt engineering enables precise tailoring of model responses through carefully crafted instructions. Distillation is used to compress large models for greater efficiency while retaining essential capabilities. Finally, entropy analysis provides insights into how models make decisions, uncovering patterns in their internal information processing. The first spotlighted paper is Efficient Compositional Multitasking for On-Device Large Language Models by Boussaha et al. This work introduces learnable calibration, a method for effectively merging multitask adapters. Their approach enables complex language tasks, such as translation and summarization, to run efficiently on mobile devices. A new benchmark for compositional scenarios is established, reflecting real-world usage. Notably, the solution enhances privacy and accessibility by eliminating the need for internet connectivity. This research sets a new standard for on-device AI language capabilities, broadening the scope of practical applications. The second paper in focus is The Prompt Makes the Person a systematic evaluation of socio-demographic persona prompting for large language models by Lutz et al. This study systematically evaluates how prompt design affects the simulation of group personas within language models. Using interview-style prompts and embedding demographic cues are shown to significantly reduce stereotyping. Remarkably, smaller models, when prompted effectively, frequently outperform larger models. These findings advance the ethical and accurate representation of social groups in AI and influence future research in both AI fairness and the social sciences. The third highlighted study is Deep Researcher with Test Time Diffusion by Han et al. This paper models research writing as a stepwise diffusion process, where drafts are iteratively improved using external evidence. The approach outperforms previous methods in both coherence and quality of generated research reports. By bridging human and artificial research workflows, this method inspires new approaches to iterative and multi-hop reasoning tasks. Han and colleagues' work demonstrates the potential for AI to approach human-like performance in complex academic writing and knowledge synthesis. Looking ahead, several future directions in language AI are evident. Continued efforts are expected to produce more efficient, on-device models, increasing accessibility for a broader user base. Expansion into additional languages and dialects is prioritized, reflecting the growing demand for inclusive technology. There will be deeper integration of human-like reasoning and self-correction mechanisms within models. Evaluation frameworks will become richer and more representative of real-world conditions. A stronger ethical focus will guide the development of systems that serve all communities fairly and transparently. This presentation was synthesized using GPT-4.1 by OpenAI for comprehensive content analysis. Text-to-speech conversion was handled by Amazon, while image concepts were generated using Google Tools. Human experts reviewed the content for clarity and accuracy, however, minor oversights may persist. All referenced papers are listed in the show notes. The goal remains to provide a balanced, thorough summary of the current research landscape in computation and language. Thank you for joining AI Frontiers. Subscribe on YouTube for more in-depth explorations of AI research and breakthrough developments in language technology. Stay updated with the latest advances and be part of a community of curious minds. References and direct links to all discussed papers can be found in the show notes. In this podcast, we bring you the latest breakthroughs in computer science and AI, straight from the archive preprint server. From neural networks to quantum computing, complex research is simplified so you can stay ahead. Whether you are a developer, researcher, or tech enthusiast, AI Frontiers keeps you informed daily. Thanks for listening. If you enjoyed this episode, subscribe for daily updates. See you tomorrow with more cutting-edge AI insights. Disclaimer: this video uses archive preprint server content under its API terms of use. AI Frontiers is not affiliated with or endorsed by Archive Preprint Server.